At OneCall, we believe that you should know 4 key aspects of your SLAs before signing any maintenance contract. Those are clear definitions, accountability, guaranteed location, and guaranteed functionality. Clear definitions. You'll want to drill down into what SLAs the provider offers and what exactly each SLA means. So first, find out if they offer same-day or next business day hardware replacement. Then, find out what they're promising in each SLA option. For example, is the provider defining next business day SLA as we'll call you in the next business day? Or do they commit to having spares on site in the next business day? Obviously, there's a big difference between the two. Accountability is an important aspect of SLAs also. So once you have clear and precise definitions of the SLAs, ask the provider how they hold themselves accountable to fulfilling those SLAs. Is there a dashboard in their portal that you can access anytime? And what are the consequences if they miss an SLA? Third, make sure you have guaranteed locations of your spares. Any TPM provider worth partnering with ought to provide you with the storage location of every single spare and the serial number details of each device, and this information should be provided to you at the onset of the contract. Fourth, and equally important, guaranteed functionality. Ask the TPM provider what rigorous testing is done to ensure the spare is working, and then ask how often it's retested using quality for ISO 9001. It's easy to miss these crucial details about your SLAs. Remember these 4 key points when discussing SLAs with your maintenance provider. Clear definitions, accountability, guaranteed location, and guaranteed functionality. It's not just about having spares available, it's about knowing where they are and ensuring they work when you need them. And of course, don't sign any contract till you've covered these 4 aspects of sparing. Our OneCall team prides ourselves on delivering these essential aspects, and we'd love the chance to earn your business. Reach out to us today. Let's elevate your support experience together.